been some exciting numbers in home sales for the Kansas City market. And if you're like me, you like to watch the activity of the market and keep informed about past and present home sales. Today we're going to discuss the real estate sales of 2019 and factors that impact the Kansas City market and the forecast of 2020. Hi, I'm John Parsons, a real estate agent in the Kansas City market with Reese Nichols Leewood and a broker in Kansas City and Missouri. Economic growth is exciting with an expected national growth rate of 2.2 in 2020. In an article by KCRAR titled 2020 Kansas City Housing Forecast, they project that employment will increase by 0.9% in the Kansas City area. The unemployment rate will remain or stay at 3.1%. This is below the 3.5 national average. And again, mortgage rates become near all-time lows as they were in 2012 and 2016. The Fed is not expected to raise the federal funds rate in 2020. And there is talk of a possible rate cut of at least 25 points in early 2020. The 30-year fixed mortgage is expected to be an average of 3.8% for a 30-year and around 3.1 to 3.4 for a 15-year. The lower mortgage rates are encouraging buyers between the ages of 25 to 34 to purchase. This makes up 46.5 million buyers, or the largest segment of buyers for 2020. Inventory in 2019 remains steady at approximately 6,200 homes available at any one time. This number is expected to increase in 2020. Currently, the historic low number of homes on the market and demand is supposed to remain strong through 2020. National supply is expected to increase to 1.42 million, which is up from 1.27 million in 2019. Even with this increase in supply, it is not expected to be enough to meet the demand. The Kansas City region has seen a drop of 40% in inventory over the last 5 years. In 2019, the inventory dropped by 2.7%. In December, it saw the largest drop of 21.3% of available homes. Several factors impacting inventory include seniors downsizing, causing a shortage of homes for first-time home buyers, a larger number of millennials and first-time home buyers coming to the market. Homeowners are staying in their homes longer and they are doing remodeling instead of purchasing. New construction is expected to rise. There was a 5% increase in permits in the Kansas City area. The National Association of Home Builders forecast a 3% growth in 2020, or a total of 708,000 new home sales. In 2019, there were 700,000 home sales nationally. Investment property will continue to sell at a premium due to low rental vacancies, low rates, and sustained demand. The national home ownership rate reached 65.5 in 2019, which is still below the 2004 highs of 69.2. The market value of homes in the Kansas City area reached a record high with an average sales price of $251,452. Over a 12-month time frame, homeowners are getting an average of 96.88% of the list price. Existing homes market report closed down a negative 0.5%, but if you look at the pending sales, we're up 1.5%. New home construction was down 8.5% over the year, but in December they were up 13.7%. Pendings were also up 1.9%. The Kansas City market saw a 5.55% increase in the average sales price of homes in 2019. While the national market levels only saw a 3.65%. Price hikes are expected to go up to 4.8 on a national level, and we fully expect those in the Kansas City area to exceed 5% like they did in 2019. Equity in homes are expected to increase over $5,300 on average over the next 12 months. Seniors and young buyers are seeking smaller homes that are easier to manage and cost less. The higher number of homeowners doing remodeling is creating a shortage of contractors to do work. Based on these facts, existing home sales we experienced in 2019 are expected to increase up to 6.3 million in 2020. Economic breakdown of loans are as follows. Conventional loans still make up 64% or a majority of the loans, followed by FHAs are at 17%. Then you have VAs at 12% and jumbo loans at 6%. As stated in the article by the KCRAR, Buyers' demand remains strong entering 2020, helped by a low mortgage rate, low unemployment, and continued wage growth. If you'd like to know more about this video or have a home to buy or sell in the Kansas City or Missouri area, please contact Carrie or myself at the numbers shown at the end of this video. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel.